Ha ha ha! Here we go!
Who knew someone who looks like Preston could be so helpful?
I wonder what Preston will say when he sees it all done.
What in the name of gigantic piles of money?
I terraced your farm.
Did the Rainbow Rangers make you do this? I told you to get rid of them, not become besties with them.
The Rainbow Rangers are my friends.
You ruined him! You made him all nice! I'll fix that. Give me that! You 18-carat hunk of junk!
It's not nice to grab.
You grabbed it from me!
Preston, it's okay. We're leaving. We did what we had to do, and your robot terraced your farmland. For you!
For me?
You can grow coffee on every step. And more coffee means more money.
More money? Oh, that makes me so happy I could cry.
But if you cry, I'll cry.
I kind of feel like this is a private moment and we shouldn't be here.
We'll just slip away quietly. Homeward bound, Rangers?